Hey everyone, this is Gleb. If you're like me, you probably love cy.contains command. And I have a bunch of examples for cy.contains on my Cypress examples site. cy.contains allows you to find an element with given text or regular expression. When you deal with regular expression, you need to be careful. So I have a recipe that just shows different aspects of cy.contains and regular expressions right here. And one of the questions that comes up again and again is what happens if you have special characters in the text you're looking for. So for example, I'm trying to find this particular element. It has ID rate and inside it has 45 space dollars per day. And you might think, well, I'll just construct a regular expression like this and then I'll use cy.contains with regular expression. And then just to confirm that we found the right element, we add an assertion, should have ID rate. Now, let me move it to the side and switch to Cypress. If I run this test, notice it keeps retrying and retrying and retrying until it says, okay, I cannot find this element. And you might guess why. The $sign or dollar character has special meaning when you do regular expressions. It marks the end of a string. So you need to escape special characters when creating regular expressions. So in this case, you escape by adding a / character, but you have to escape that in JavaScript, so you have to add 2 of them. Okay, so now you find the right element. Well, there are other elements that you might need to escape, like, braces, for example, and maybe dots and so on. So in order to simplify this, you can use Lodash. Lodash is bundled with Cypress. So what you can do if okay, just take this text literally. You can say Cypress Lodash escapeRegExp. I forget the name of the function. Let's try this. Perfect. Okay, so what does escapeRegExp do? Well, let's log regex. Okay. So notice it shows the $/day, and let's see how can we show this better. Maybe let's try console and let's pass $ per day as a string. Okay, notice it escapes it automatically. If we had something like this, where there are special characters, it would escape all of them. Okay, so you need to take special care if the regular expression text you are looking for contains special regular expression characters. Luckily, Cypress bundles Lodash, and you can use escapeRegExp function in that library.